this car powered by this heart?
No, not this heart, the heart. You see, Mommy, the truck is not just driven by any heart, it's driven by the heart of love and passion for a better world. Tell your work people, okay?
You mean the truck is powered by those values?
Exactly, Mommy. The heart represents love that drives motion forward.
You have such a big heart. It's wonderful how you see the world.
And when I get older, I'll make cars like the wolf truck, driven by the heart.
You can achieve anything you set your heart to.
Motion driven by heart. Motion driven by heart. Motion driven by heart. Motion driven by heart.
This is the beginning of a revolution where sustainability and adventure intertwine, giving rise to a vehicle that ignites your spirit and fuels your desire for exploration. With electrifying performance and groundbreaking technology, the Wolf Truck commands the road like never before. Conquering each mile with unwavering confidence, the Wolf Truck transforms ordinary journeys into extraordinary adventures. But it's more than just a vehicle, it's a movement. By choosing the Alpha Wolf electric truck, you join a community that drives change. This is the Wolf Electric Truck, a fusion of art and engineering, a testament to the human spirit. We're bringing imagination back into the equation of owning an electric vehicle. The soul of driving is back.
Motion driven by heart.